Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your heart rate zones in the Garmin 910 XT Multisport watch. Hopefully you've also seen my video on how to work out your zones based on the lactate threshold run test. So on the screen in front of me I've got some calculated heart rate zones based on that test using the calculator on the Coach Mike Training website. So I'm going to have that up at the same time. It makes it easier for me to use that as a reference as I program the numbers. Okay, so we'll look at the watch here. The first thing to do is to hit the mode key to bring up the menu. I'm going to use these up and down scroll keys to go down to settings and enter. I'm then going to go enter on run settings, and I'll scroll down till I see heart rate, and then one more down to heart rate zones. So I'm going to enter my zones manually. I don't want Garmin to calculate it, I want more accurate zones, so I'm going to scroll down and enter on edit zones. So you'll see there the watch has 5 different zones, an upper and lower limit for each zone. With this watch you don't need to set lower and upper for each zone, you just need to set the upper limit and it'll set the lower limit of the prior one to match. Right, so I'm going to start off at the upper end of zone 5 and I'm going to hit enter on that, and it's simply using the up and down keys here to set the right number. So based on my calculator I need to set that to 176. I'll just scroll down and then hit enter on 176. Then I'll just scroll up to the top of zone 4, which is 158. Enter. Top of zone 3 is 149. Top of zone 2 is 142. And finally the top of zone 1 is 131. And I'll just hit the mode key again to go back. And that's it. I've now set my heart rate zones. So I highly recommend watching my other video on setting up workouts in Garmin Connect. And then you can use Garmin Express to sync those across to the watch and use alerts based on heart rate when you're doing particular zone runs. Alright, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.